thing that seems super cool whenever you're younger, and somehow that peaks again whenever you're in your mid-30s and having a midlife crisis and adopt 12 cats. Yes. Today we're going to be doing arts and crafts. Really only kindergartners and like people who are having midlife crises do crafts. I'm kind of in between that, so I feel like it's fair game. But these aren't just any arts and crafts, ladies and gentlemen. These are unplanned, unscripted. I have no idea what I'm doing. I just decided to film this. Meme crafts. That sounds gross. These are going to be crafts based upon internet culture or internet memes. I don't know. I don't care. It's gonna mean something. Today with me, the materials that I have are alphabet beads, model magic clay. It's kind of old, but it still works, I think. String, miscellaneous colored beads that I just spilled all over the floor. Oh, stop rolling. Earring bags. So I can make earrings out of these. I can do whatever. We're doing crafts. Maybe we'll do a little painting. Have a little Bob Ross moment. I don't know. Point is, I need to post on YouTube. I recently got monetized. Cue applause. Just cool, you know. You guys wanted me to post, but I didn't really have anything to post, so here's something to post. If you haven't noticed, I'm not sitting on my bed. I moved, and I have a desk now, and I have that behind me, and I have a rolly chair. We're gonna get into this. Before we do that, if you new here, like and subscribe down below. I don't know, I'm not a YouTuber, don't come at me. I have a bunch of memes written down because of an other video idea that I had where I had people on Twitter send me different memes and I was gonna try to draw them like combined together. But I tried to film that and it didn't really go that well. So we're going to be taking that idea and spinning it with arts and crafts because that's what I want to do right now. I really want to make a cowboy emoji with model magic and paint it. Wait, should I do the clown emoji? Wait. I'm gonna do the clown emoji. I'm gonna make a clown emoji out of model magic. The only other device that I have that's not my phone, which I'm using to film right now, is my Switch. So we're gonna try and look up pictures of clown emojis on my Switch. I didn't think this through. Also, if you want me to make more videos in general, or you have any good video ideas or anything that you would personally like to see, anything content-wise, like do you want to see me doing covers? No. Or other arts and crafts things, maybe things with me drawing actual things instead of just making things. I'm saying things a lot. If you want to see more content, just do your thing, baby Smurf. So I'm just gonna use it as a base. This is what I'm using as the material. I don't know how to do arts and crafts. So I'm just gonna take a small ball, and I'm gonna roll it up into a ball. I'm just gonna flatten it. Should I make it? I'm just gonna make it flat. Okay, so I'm just gonna create the basic shape of it. My bad. I'm making the table move. I'm just going to make the basic shape of it, and then I'm gonna put it aside, and then we're gonna work on the other things while we wait for it to kind of dry, and then we'll paint it. And then Lord knows what. I don't know. I'm gonna make his face more 3D. I'm not just gonna paint it on. So I'm gonna add like his nose and stuff. But why am I explaining it to you? You can't even see it. Oh jeez. Okay, so that looks about wrong, but I am going to use that anyways because I don't care. Oh my god. Okay, maybe I do care. No. Unless. No! This looks so bad. Okay, wait. Never mind, it looks good. I doubted myself, but we're back on it. I'm feeling confident as I was feeling before. We're on a roll. I'm just creating the little fluffs. That's his hair. This is what I have so far. Piece of model magic that kind of resembles the clown. Not too much dip on your chin. I'm gonna add a nose, and then I'm gonna add the lips, and then the eyes, and then the eyebrows. My Alexa just turned on for no reason, even though I didn't say Alexa. Alexa's creeped me out. Have you guys, okay, while I'm making the mouth of this clown emoji that I'm making out of model magic, have you guys ever seen like somebody play the hide and seek app? I saw somebody use it on TikTok, and I ended up using it myself, and that's creepy. So basically, you say like, Alexa hide and seek, right? And she's supposed to like find you, But she can't see you because it doesn't have a camera. She just like says random places. It's oddly very correct most of the time. So like the first time I did it, I was standing behind a door, like just behind a door, you know, like nothing, I wasn't hiding too bad. And that was her first guess. She said, "Are you behind the door?" And I was like, "Yeah." I have a video of me where it's doing that, and she said, "Are you under the bed?" like exactly as I was climbing under my bed. Basically what I meant by that was, by that little fun story, Alexa hears everything that's going on, and yeah, Alexa is a spy. Also, Amazon, if you want to sponsor me, I don't know if you do sponsorships, but take everything back if you want, you know, nothing set in stone. Kidding, nobody's sponsoring this video. I haven't really been active on social media recently because school. It'll be nice, you know, to get back in the hang of things. Might, you know, mess around and make my Cameo active again. YouTube's just one of those things that I care about what I post because, like, for me, I feel the need to take it more seriously. I say as I'm making a clown emoji out of model magic. This is looking really good so far though. Like, yes, look at her. A queen. I'm gonna give her nice eyebrows. Or him, I don't know. Whatever it wants to be. It. That was a bad joke because of clowns. It looks angry. I don't want it to be angry. It's a nice clown. We only stand. You know what's so weird? Clown humor is like a big thing right now. Like, it's funny to call someone a clown, you know? Clownery. I just posted something on my Snapchat drawing a clown face on myself. People are doing clown stuff on TikTok. But however many years ago, like 3 years ago, people were deathly afraid of clowns and they were chasing people in the streets with like knives and stuff. Y'all remember October of 2016? That was a big change of pace. I don't know. Ooh! That looks good. Y'all just wait until I paint this. Bro Sif. If you're following along at home, please don't. So far, I've just mapped out the basic shapes of the clown emoji. I'm gonna paint them after it dries or after I assume it's been long enough for me to paint it. What's the next craft, you may ask? I don't know, I'll have to think about it. Honestly, I want to make a bracelet. What should it say on it? Because I have letters. Do I have any A's? I just dumped out all the alphabet beads. I want to make a bracelet that's like a friendship bracelet, but one says Keanu and one says Reeves. Is that too quirky? Does that sound like... It's fine, I'm gonna do it. Okay, bet. I'm literally stuck at crafts. I literally suck at crafts. Oh, I kind of want to send the Reeves one to my best friend. She lives in Texas. I miss you, Audrey. If you're watching this, I love you. Why are there so many letters? I need a lot of E's, and there are like no E's here. Oh, I found an A. I am so proud of myself. Okay, are there not E's? Do E's not exist? I'll just use F's, and then I'll put a line. I'll paint a line on him so it says E. I found an E? It's a miracle. Exactly how I wanted to spend my Tuesday afternoon. I was just gonna do that Tumblr girl thing where you put like X's for letters that are missing, so I could just put Keanu Reeves, but like the S is a Z. I'm just gonna use a Z. Life hack: if you don't have any E alphabet beads, just take those F's and you turn them into E's. Okay? With E's. So I feel like the Keanu bracelet by itself makes sense. You know, you could put 2 and 2 together, but Reeves, that's a little harder to decipher, a little harder to get without help, so I smudged it. I will wait for those to dry, so you're gonna take a piece of string. Yeah, I need scissors. You wanna cut your string super long, because it's better to have a super long string than, okay, maybe I'll cut this in half. I'm sorry, Audrey, the E's on your Keanu Reeves bracelet will be bad. It'll add something to it. Okay, now I'm gonna take this piece of string and I'm gonna tie a knot, a double knot. These beads are thick. Here's the first one. The thing I thought was a E was actually an F. I thought I found an E, but it's actually an F, and someone just added a line under the E. So it says Keanu Reeves. His name's not Keanu. Okay, I don't really care anymore. Sorry, Keanu. Might have to be Tefanu. I don't have any clasps. These are poorly executed bracelets right here. Keanu's. I just cut myself. That's fine. Making the second one. Reeves with an X at the end. Is a Keanu Reeves friendship bracelet set. Getting back to this. Is this dry? No. Am I gonna paint it? Not yet. We're gonna wait a little bit. We're gonna have one more craft. Oh, we need to make earrings. I just had an idea. Okay. Let me see if I have the materials for it, and then I'll say it because I don't want to seem stupid. So, now we're gonna make I'ma head out earrings. So basically, if you want to make these earrings at home, you can too, as you can with anything. If you have string, alphabet beads, and I don't know, time. You just take 2 earring backs, and I'm gonna take a long piece of string. Just take string and you, yep. You'll have something that looks like this. I don't know why I'm explaining it. Literally nobody's gonna make this. I'm gonna put I'ma head out. I'm gonna act like that didn't just cut out because it said phone storage low and I just had to delete a bunch of stuff off my storage. Anyways, I'ma head out. So the trick to getting earrings just right with the alphabet beads is to make sure that it's tight and to make sure that they're all facing the same way. They're gonna take an earring back, wherever it is, thread the thread through the thread. Gonna act like my phone didn't just again cut out because of the phone storage warning. I'm getting a new phone. So while I'm threading this last earring that says head out, before I finish this, then paint the clown emoji thing and we're done for the day. You tell me how your day was. Comment it. I don't care. I do care. So comment it. Let me know how your day is going. Are you having a good day? Are you having a bad day? Are you posting a random video on YouTube that will probably be badly edited on iMovie and make no sense and is really bad and won't get a lot of views? Because that's what's happening to me right now. Dope on a rope. Head out is done. Keep in mind, I'm filming a YouTube video instead of taking a nap. This is on me. I'm the one who's caught lacking. I'm the one who decided to be productive today. So let's test them out. I'm gonna wear them with my Keanu Reeves bracelets and we're gonna see how they look. Let me come up close so you can see it. I'ma head out. Keanu Reeves. This is what I do with my spare time. I cannot. Now it's time for the fun part. We're gonna be painting this little clown. It's going to be beautiful. And I can't really film me painting, so I'm just gonna wing it. You guys will see the finishing results, and we'll just have one last look at the items together since I'm really tired and my video kept cutting out, so I'm like done already with filming. I don't want to do it anymore. So I'm just gonna quickly paint it, probably very badly. Maybe I'll have some patience, we'll see. Only time will tell. So right now I'm painting the eye part. Artistically, painting is not my strong suit. When I'm done with this, I'm gonna have like an hour of footage to edit, and I'm gonna condense it into like 1 minute of me actually doing things because of my camera cutting out, me having to rephrase things, and then me just doing crafts and not showing you, so there's like no point to put it in. 5 seconds that I talked during this whole thing, that's what you guys are gonna be seeing. After spending an hour attempting to do crafts, this is how I feel right now. Why does it look like that? Bro, this is the final product. So guys, what did we learn today? Arts and crafts isn't my strong suit. Arts and crafts shouldn't be anybody's strong suit. What we learned to make today: earrings that say I'ma head out, friendship bracelet, one saying Keanu, one saying Reeves, a little model magic of a clown, a really badly painted clown, which represents how I'm feeling. Here's a closer look. Thank you guys for watching. I don't even know if I'm gonna post this. This is probably gonna be too bad to post once I edit it. If you do see this and this does actually get posted, I'm sorry that if you watched this far, then I'm definitely sorry because you had to watch me make all these things and just internally die. Follow my Insta, Snap, Twitter, subscribe, leave some comments. Don't follow my TikTok. My TikTok is cringy. Everything else, go ahead and follow. Thank you guys for watching. I love you so much. I never said my name.